Hi, I'm David with Nissan of Cookeville, and today we're going to cover the basics of a four-wheel alignment. We've got the tools and experience to check and correct any alignment concerns. A vehicle's alignment can cause premature wear, as well as drivability issues such as a pull, as well as the vehicle's fuel economy. Pull on into our service department for a complimentary alignment check. I'm David with Nissan of Cookeville Service Department. Mention this ad and receive $10 off a four-wheel alignment.